Hello, namaste everyone. Welcome to SuperGrads CAT. So today we will be talking about top 20 colleges through MAT. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था all about MAT exam where we discussed about exam pattern and the marking scheme, important dates related to MAT exam. MAT exam के तीन modes होते हैं उनके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था, that is CBT, PBD and IBT mode और उनके last date of registration and the exam dates. Plus, we also discussed about the important topics and the syllabus associated with MAT 2024. So, अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो would suggest कि आप एक बार वो वीडियो जाके चैनल पे देख लीजिए. I'm putting the link also in the description box. You can watch that video first and then you can come back to this video and understand what are the top 20 colleges that you can target through MAT. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will discuss the key points and the key takeaways related to this exam. That is the admission that you get through MAT, you get for MBA, PGDM and MMS programs. तो ये जो तीन है कहीं कहीं पे MBA प्रोग्राम के नाम से हम एसोसिएट करते हैं, काफी कॉलेजेस में MBA नाम से एसोसिएट करते हैं, कहीं जगह पे PGDM होता है and many colleges also have MMS programs. MMS stands for Masters in Management Studies. So these are the programs. It is conducted 4 times in a year. Now, 4 times in a year, if you look, February, May, September, and December. So most of the aspirants, as in जो MBA aspirants होते हैं, वो Feb वाला attempt ही prefer करते हैं. So that is why even you guys would be writing the February attempt, which जिसका लास्ट डेट दैट इज पीबीडी मोड का लास्ट डेट इज 20th of February. सो वुड सजेस्ट कि जल्दी से आप आईएमए की वेबसाइट पे जाके रेलेवेंट जो भी डेट्स हैं वो सब चेक कर लीजिए. 20,000 plus students sit in every attempt. Now this is another important key takeaway. 600 plus B schools accept MAT score. मैट का कट ऑफ जा सकता है 80 to 90 परसेंटाइल के बीच में. तो अगर मैट के हम टॉप कॉलेजेस की बात करें तो उनका कट ऑफ 80 से 90 के बीच में जाता है. नाउ लेट अस सी द कॉलेजेस दैट यू कैन टारगेट थ्रू मैट. तो अगर हम बात करें सबसे पहले JBIMS मुंबई. नाउ यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि JBIMS मुंबई है तो ऑब्वियसली मैट का कट ऑफ ज्यादा जाता होगा. इट इज ट्रू कि अगर आप मैट लिख रहे हो और आप JBIMS मुंबई टारगेट कर रहे हो तो आपका कट ऑफ 99.98 होना चाहिए आपका स्कोर परसेंटाइल इन मैट. ओके, now if you talk about the fees, it's 6.01 lakhs. 28.02 LPA is the average CTC. Highest CTC is 35.75 LPA for JBIMS, a college which is popularly known for its great ROI. So that is JBIMS Mumbai. Now here, one thing you need to take into consideration or take into note is कि जितने भी हम महाराष्ट्र के कॉलेजेस की बात करेंगे वो सिर्फ MMS प्रोग्राम्स के लिए ही मैट का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस थिंग इनटू कंसिडरेशन कि महाराष्ट्र के जितने भी कॉलेज बी इट JBIMS. नाउ नेक्स्ट कॉलेज इज सिम्सट्री, दैट इज सिडनम. इसका फीस इज 1.34 lakhs. अगेन यहाँ पे भी सिर्फ MMS प्रोग्राम के लिए ही आप एलिजिबल हो अगर आप मैट लिख रहे हो. Another thing is average CTC here 12.02 LPA. 20 LPA is the highest CTC. मैट का कट ऑफ इस कॉलेज का भी ज्यादा जाता है. सो इट्स 99.96 और 99.98 आप ऐसा समझ सकते हो. प्लस the seats for these two colleges, very few seats are reserved for MAT. So accordingly we need to understand कि यहाँ पे क्योंकि CAT भी होता है, महाराष्ट्र CET भी होता है, तो वो वाली सीट्स भी रहती हैं. सो मैट के लिए very few seats are reserved in JBIMS and SIMSRI. Okay, now let us talk about the next B school, that is BIMTech Noida. BIMTech Noida का fees is 14 lakhs. Average CTC average CTC is 12.37 LPA. Highest CTC 23.43 LPA. Now this is for international. 16 LPA is for the domestic one. And the cutoff for MAT goes around 80 percentile. So BIMTech Noida का अगर फॉर्म भरा है तो आप मैट के थ्रू भी उस कॉलेज को टिक कर सकते हो. while you are registering it you can select that college as well and the cutoff goes around 80 percentile. Zyme Bangalore की अगर मैं बात करूं तो again fees is 11.5 lakhs. The package, that is average package, is 10.75 LPA. Highest is 16 LPA. Now here the percentile for MAT is slightly lower. It's 70 percentile around. So definitely a good college that you can target. Jaipur या Noida. Why I'm specifically putting Noida is because यहाँ का placement record is quite good. So I have not selected other Jaipuria institutes over here. I've only selected the Noida one, which is the topmost institute considered for MAT. तो फीस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो 13.5 lakhs. Average CTC 12.34 LPA. Highest is 22 LPA. Now मैट का कट ऑफ 75 परसेंटाइल के अराउंड जाता है. Now Delhi School of Business 9.75 lakhs is the fees. Average CTC is 9 lakhs per annum. Highest is 22.3 lakhs per annum. मैट का कट ऑफ 80 परसेंटाइल के अराउंड जाता है. Now, Pumba Pune, a college, another college which has a good ROI, और आप definitely apply कर सकते हो. Again, MMS program के लिए आप यहाँ पे eligible होगे. 1.3 से 1.5 lakhs के बीच में fees होता है. 8.85 lakhs LPA is the average CTC, and the highest is 18.97 LPA. And the percentile, that is the cutoff for MAT, goes around 80 percentile. IES Management College and Research Center, Mumbai. 9 lakhs is the fees. 7.5 LP is the average CTC. Highest CTC is 10 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff for MAT goes around 70 percentile. Now, Balaji University, Pune, fees is 11.9 lakhs. 8.25 LPA is the average CTC. Highest CTC is 8.25 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff for MAT goes around 80 percentile. Now you have Christ University, Bangalore. 8.6 lakhs is the fees. Average CTC is 7.97 lakhs per annum. Highest is 21.46 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff goes around 80 percentile. Now, one thing that I would like you guys to note over here is that I've picked the colleges only which are located in Mumbai, Pune, or Bangalore. Okay, so these are the primary colleges which are there. I've only picked those top 20 colleges for you guys. Now let us look at 10 more colleges जो आप apply कर सकते हो, जिसमें आ जाता है अपना Maths Mind Bangalore, which is a JN University. 9.25 lakhs is the fees over here. 10.50 LPA is the average CTC, and the highest is 17.60 lakhs per annum. मैथ का कट ऑफ सबसे कम यहीं पे है, 50 परसेंटाइल है. ISBR Bangalore 9 to 10 lakhs के बीच में है फीस. Average CTC is 7.5 lakhs per annum. Highest is 11 lakhs per annum, and the MAT cutoff is lower over here as well. It's 50 to 60 percentile. SIES Mumbai, which is located in Navi Mumbai actually. It's 5.2 lakhs से 7 lakhs के बीच में फीस जाता है. 10 LPA is the average CTC. Highest CTC is 20 LPA. MAT का कट ऑफ 80 परसेंटाइल जाता है. Soil Gurgaon, that is Soil Institute of Management Gurgaon, 14.5 से 14.8 lakhs के बीच में जाता है the fees. 10.3 lakhs per annum is the average CTC. Highest is 19.3 lakhs per annum. Now 90 percentile के अराउंड जाता है Soil Gurgaon का कट ऑफ. SJIM Bangalore, that is St. Joseph's Institute of Management Bangalore. 9.3 lakhs is the fees over here. Average CTC is 8 lakhs per annum. 22 lakhs per annum is the highest CTC. 65 percentile के अराउंड जाता है मैट का कट ऑफ. एक और कॉलेज जिसका कट ऑफ इज लोअर, IPE Hyderabad. Now here 8.15 lakhs is the fees. 7.1 LP is the average CTC. Highest is 24.75, and the cutoff for MAT is 75 percentile. Now Institute of Management Studies, that is Ghaziabad. 9.5 lakhs is the fees. 8.25 lakhs per annum is the average CTC. 20 lakhs per annum is the highest CTC. 90 percentile goes the cutoff for MAT. So this is one college only which is not based in Delhi, Mumbai or Bangalore. तो ये एक college है गाजियाबाद में located है जो. ITM Navi Mumbai, 11.9 lakhs is the fees. Average CTC is 8.65 lakhs per annum. Highest is 21 lakhs per annum. And the cutoff goes around 80 percentile. NDIM New Delhi, that is, इसका fees जाता है 11.5 lakhs. Average CTC is 8 lakhs per annum, highest is 12 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff goes around 75 percentile. Amrita School of Business, that is Coimbatore mein hai, 11.2 lakhs is the fees. Average CTC is 8.98 lakhs per annum, highest is 24.85 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff goes around 80 percentile. So you can pause the screen, you can take the screenshot of this particular slide, and you can note down the colleges that you're supposed to select during your form filling process. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. आई होप अब आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि मैट के थ्रू हम कौन से कॉलेजेस टारगेट कर सकते हैं या कौन से कॉलेजेस सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं व्हाइल फॉर्म फिलिंग. एंड इफ यू हैवंट स्टिल वॉच्ड or you haven't understood about the MAT exam, so I'm putting the video link in the description box all about MAT exam, in which I have discussed everything about MAT, the important dates, the syllabus, the marking scheme, the paper pattern, and everything. So you can watch that video. Or ऐसी और updates के लिए stay tuned to SuperGrads CAT.